Hey Kevin, Chris with Tameron Honda. Thank you so much for that recent online inquiry for the 2019 Honda Ridgeline. Saw where you'd inquired. Do have Ridgelines right here behind me. I've got over 500 vehicles in stock Ridgelines. I've got probably 30 to 40. I'd love to tell you more about those in person. Give me a call at 205-826-4915, or you can text me at that number. We've got our huge Memorial Day sale going on now through the month. We're going to also be open Sunday as well, 12 to 5. So I'd love to invite you to come by and check out one of these with me in person. Take it for a test drive. I promise you will not be disappointed. Again, Chris with Tameron Honda, 205-826-4915. And when you come to Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.